Good morning, dear children. This is your assistant teacher. Now take out your assisted textbook and open page number 25. Dear children, as you know that yesterday we have studied about the story of Harappa city and some special about these cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Kalibangam and Lothal. And we have also studied about they have very good quality of bricks and they have we found the a great bath. Okay, here you can see the great bath, okay, having the very strong walls, and this is also used for the sacrifice ceremony. So dear children, today let's start the houses, drains and street. How the ancient people constructed their houses, drains and streets. So houses, drains and streets were 2 stories high. The houses were 2 stories high with rooms. Some houses had separate bathing area and wells to supply water. Wells to supply water. So many cities had draining system having gentle slope for water draining. Okay, they just make a gentle slope so that water can flow easily. They are often sim- uh, and they have often connected to the streets. Okay, and all three of them, that is drain, houses and street, probably planned and built at the same time. Okay, so that means they have that plan. That means they just build all the houses, drains and street at a same time. Okay, so that no one can face the problem of drainage system and street also. Okay, here many of the cities have covered with drains. Notice how carefully these were laid out in straight lines. Okay, here you can see in straight line. Okay, and you cannot see it. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. Also, very often drain in houses were connected to those on the street and smaller drain led into the bigger ones. The inspection holes were provided at the interval to clean them. All three houses, drains and street were probably planned and built at the same time. Life in the city. It was a very busy life in city. People construct buildings. They had rulers too who sent people to get metal, stones and other valuable things like gold, silver, ornaments, beautiful beads, etc. And the people who knew how to write, they help prepare the seals and wrote materials that have not survived. Okay, and beside men and women, they have made different kinds of crafts. They have decorated their houses, and also they traveled from place to place and carried raw materials, that is terracotta toy have been also found. The children must have played with these. Okay, so the archaeologists found the most of the new things and different things in the city, so that according to that we can easily consider how their life. Okay, I mean which kind of toys the children had played, and which kind of crafts they have made, which kind of decoration they did, and where they traveled. Okay, so lots of things were discovered, or you can say found by the archaeologist. And also they also find out the found out the sign of the rulers, and rulers over there who ruled on the people. So you can see the top a street in Mohenjo-daro with a drain. Here you can see a street, and the above, this is the veil. You can see this is the veil of ancient people, and far left a Harappan seal. The sign on the top of the seal are part of the script. This is the earliest form of writing known in the subcontinent, and scholars have tried to read these signs, but we still do not know exactly what they mean. And here they have you can see seal or stamp like structure, and here you can see they have written something, but you know we actually still don't know that what exactly they mean. We don't know what is written here. Okay, so it is their language. Okay, so this kind of stamp having animals, you can see the animals, and something is written. I think it may be a ruler's name. Okay, or this animal name. So quite possible. Okay, so this kind of seal they have made. And here you can see the toys played by children, known as the that toy is known as the terracotta toys. Okay, terracotta toys, understood? So let's start the new crafts in the city. That means what kind of new crafts they have found, archaeologists found in that city's particular city. Dear children, we have studied about various kind of ancient cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Okay, we have already seen the life, their houses, their drainage system, their street. Now, what kind of variety of crafts they have? So let us look at the some of the objects that were made and found in Harappan city. So in Harappan cities, almost of the things have been found by archaeologists made of gold, silver, copper, bronze, etc. And also beads, weights and blades are useful things which have found. And they also made seal out of stone, having rectangular shape and with animal carved, and they also made designer pots. You can see I have already told you about this seal. Okay, they have made. They have also made the designer earthen pots, and you can see the cotton was grown at the Mehergarh about 7,000 years ago. The actual pieces of cloth found attached to lead of silver vase and copper object at Mohenjo-daro. Okay, that means they have found the archaeologist found the pieces of cloth which have lead to the silver vase and copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. So also find spindle whorls, terracotta and fiance. That is so you can also find pronounce fiance also. Fiance is used for this spin thread, and you can also use for the making bangles, earrings, and you can say the tiny vessels. Okay, so this is the fiance. And many things produced by specialists like cutting stones and polishing beads, and carving the beads. So in ancient time, both men and women were the you can say the specialist of that things. That means they just specialist of cutting stone, polishing beads, okay, and carving beads, etc. So dear children, in today's video we have seen the the new life in the city. Okay, what kind of seal they have, what kind of street they have, and what kind of toys they have. And they had also the new crafts, what kind of crafts they had used, and their decorations, and you can say their seal, their scripts, their writing seals also. And we have also studied about their specialist. Both men and women were the specialist of polishing beads, carving stones. Okay, so this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. So this is it for today's video. Tomorrow we have start the search of raw materials. So for today it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.